Class 9, exercise number 3.2, question number 3. Find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following. We want to find the zero of the polynomial. If we want to find the zero of the polynomial means the polynomial is equal to, we want to prove that the polynomial is equal to 0. See, here we want to prove that the p of x equal to 0 means what value of x, if you put the polynomial is equal to 0 means from this we can able to find out what is the zero of the polynomial. Put equal to 0, then x is equal to 3. Then p of x is equal to, in the place of x I put 3 means 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So therefore 3 is a zero of p of x. Either we can write a polynomial or p of x. Second Roman number, p of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Here I take this term equal to 0, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. It is very easy to find out what is the value of x we are going to apply, right? Here 2x is equal to minus 5, then x is equal to minus 5 by 2. What you have to put, x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Let's check it. X is equal to minus 5 by 2. Here 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 5. Now 2 cancel, we get minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5, when we subtract we get 0. Therefore minus 5 by 2 is the zeros of p of x. Next we see the third Roman number. See here 2y minus 3 is given. Put equal to 0 for this term. Then 2y is equal to, if I take this plus 3, minus 3 another side plus 3, then y is equal to 3 multiplication. So divide. So q of 3 by 2, in the place of y I apply the value 3 by 2. This term is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 minus 3. Now 2 is cancelled, we get 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So we get 0, right? Therefore 3 by 2 is the zeros of q of y, or we can write the polynomial. Next put 8z equal to 0, then z is equal to 0 divided by 8 is nothing but 0. So we put z equal to 0. So f of 0 is equal to 8 into 0 equal to 0. Therefore 0 is the zeros of f of z. Then we see that p of x is equal to ax. See here a is not equal to 0. So a is not equal to 0 means here we consider x as the variable, a is a real number, right? Then we take this term equal to 0, ax equal to 0, then x is equal to 0 divided by a is equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. So in the place of x I put the 0, we get a into 0 is equal to 0. Therefore 0 is the zeros of p of x. Next we see the Roman number 6, I think. Roman number 6. H of x. See, h of x is given as ax plus b, and a is not equal to 0 where a, b belongs to a real number. So here x is the variable. So we want to find out, take this term ax plus b equal to 0. Here we want to find out which value of x we are going to put in that place of x. The polynomials become 0 means it is very easy idea to find out the zeros of the polynomial. Here ax is equal to minus b. I take this b to another side, and then x is equal to minus b by a. So in the place of x we apply minus b by a, the polynomials become 0. So h of minus b by a is equal to a into minus b by a plus b. Here a must be cancelled, equal to minus b plus b. So minus b plus b become 0. Therefore here minus b by a is the zeros of h of x, zeros of the polynomial h of x. Thank you, students. Hi students, class 9, exercise number 3.2, question number 4. Find the roots of the polynomial equation. Here we want to find the value of x. The value of x is the root of the polynomial. See, first Roman number is given as 5x minus 6. Here we want to find the value of x. Simple method, that is 5x. I take this minus 6 to another side, we get plus 6. Then x is equal to 6 multiplication, right? Take it to another side means it will be divided. 6 by 5 is the roots of the polynomial equation. Next, x is equal to, I take this plus 3 to another side, we get minus 3 is the roots of the polynomial. The third one, 10x plus 9. 10x plus 9 equal to 0. Here we want to find the value of x is the roots of the equation. 10x is equal to, I take this plus 9 to another side, we get minus 9. Then x is equal to, I take minus 9, take this 10 to another side means it will be divided, is the roots of the equation. Next one, 9x minus 4 equal to 0. We want to find the value of x. X is equal to, I take minus 4 to another side, we get plus 4. Then x is equal to 4 divided by 9 is the roots of this equation. Thank you, students.